Welcome back to another deal video at Harbor Freight. I'm going to go over the top deals you should be considering for the Black Friday sale here coming up. I am starting off in the Icon ratchet section. So without a doubt, this is going to be the most popular item people are going to go for during Black Friday. The Black Friday sale does start on Monday, the 24th for ITC members, and it goes until November 26th. For ITC members, the stores are closed on Thursday, but then everyone else can save from Friday the 28th to December 1st. So you do have multiple days to capture these deals. Obviously, it's better to be an ITC member, and if you're not already, that membership is $30 a year, which is basically $2.50 a month. But if you go into the store, you can get a 2-year ITC membership for only 45 bucks. But you do have to go in the store for that because they don't offer that online. And that basically comes to $1.88 a month for the 2-year plan. Definitely well worth it for all the benefits you get for being an ITC member. So the first one to consider for the Black Friday sale is the 40% off on all Icon ratchets. It does exclude the ratchet service sets, so it is just exclusive to the different ratchets they have. And the ones to probably obviously consider are the G2 ratchets. And I'll just go over some of them here, and I'll put the pricing on the screen what they'll be after the discount. You could go with the 3/8 G2 14-inch flex ratchet. It is locking. It is normally priced at 70 bucks, so you save 40% on that. The next popular item is going to be the G2 1/4-inch ratchet. That is normally priced at 55 bucks. So they have many different ones to consider. Obviously, if you want to go with the G1 series, they have the stubbies 3/8 drive for 33 bucks. Or how about the infamous 24 karat gold plated 3/8 ratchet? That one is normally priced at 55 bucks. Then they also have a 1/4-inch version that's normally priced at 45. Now the ones I might pick up are going to be the G2 locking flex ratchet that I showed here first. It's going to be a great deal on that. And I'll probably also pick up the 1/4-inch drive one, the G2 locking flex ratchet. That is the 9-inch one. But if you need something bigger and longer, they do have the 1/2-inch drive ones, the 26-inch extra long ratchet. That's normally priced at 75 bucks. And the same thing goes with the 26-inch extra long ratchet that does have a nice handle to it. That one is priced also at 75. Or maybe you need the flex ratchet 26-inch extra long one, 1/2-inch drive, normally priced at 120 bucks. So many great options to consider. Another one I am considering picking up is a swivel head one, the 92 3/8 drive one. That way it has some more flexibility on different angles to get in at. So that one's normally priced at 40 bucks. So definitely it'd be the time to pick up some Icon ratchets, saving that 40%, because you're really not going to see a better deal on the ratchets themselves. I did ask the store if it does include the torque wrenches, and they don't believe it does. And they did have a sale on the torque wrenches, I think over the summer during the parking lot sale. So, and it excluded the ratchets at that time, so they're probably going to exclude the torque wrenches this time. So definitely a great time to pick up some Icon ratchets. And this is the month I am doing a $100 gift card giveaway to one lucky winner. On December 1st, I'll be doing the drawing, and to enter to win, all you have to do is just simply leave a comment below, and that'll get you entered to win. You don't have to be a subscriber to the channel, but if you do, I really appreciate that support. Help me get to my next milestone of 30,000 subscribers, and I'll continue bringing these tool deal videos to you. And I recommend being subscribed anyways, because I'm going to be doing the winner announcement via a community post on my channel, so you should be notified when I do that post to announce the winner. I'm doing this to show my support for you guys watching my videos, and I really do appreciate you watching them. Let's move on to the next deal. Now the next popular item they're going to go with is on the Daytona 3-ton jacks, but in particular it's the Daytona jacks that are going to be on sale. They're going to be 30% off on all the Daytona jacks. So the one to consider would be the 3-ton Super Duty ones. They do come with a 3-year warranty versus 90 days on the other ones. And this is the new metallic green that they recently came out with. It's very nice. But it does come in 5 different colors and is normally priced at $289. It does have a max height of 23 1/8 inch and 3 3/4 minimum height. It is a dual rapid pump. It does have rear swivel casters. You can tell they're pretty solid jacks. A lot of people love these Super Duty ones. And other Daytona jacks that are part of the sale, you could go with a 1.5 ton high performance racing jack. It's going to be nice and lightweight, all aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it corroding at all. This one does have a max height of 16 1/8 inch, and the minimum height is 2 inches, so you can get really into low vehicles. And they have that one normally priced at $299. Another option is a Pro aluminum floor jack. It is a 2-ton one. It does have a single roller in the front. This one does have a minimum height of 3.5 inches though, compared to the high performance racing jack. This one is at a better price and more weight capacity, and it's normally priced at $229. But if you just need a 1.5 ton aluminum one, they do have this one. It does have 2 single wheels on the front. This one also has a minimum height of 3.5 inches, like the 2-ton version, and it has a max height of 14 1/4 inch. That one is normally priced at $140, and they do have the 3-ton Daytona jack low profile one. The minimum height is 3 1/4 inch. It does have a dual rapid pump. It's available in 4 different colors. This is normally priced at $199. It does have a max height of 19 7/8 inch. And they do have a Pro long reach low profile floor jack. It does have a minimum height of 3 3/8 inch. It's available in 4 colors as well. The max height is 24 1/4 inch on this 3-ton. That is normally priced at $269. And another jack to consider is on the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile jack with a rapid pump technology. It does have a minimum height clearance of 3 1/8 inch and a max height of 19 7/8 inch. So they do have this one normally priced at $169.99, but you're going to be able to save $70 on that. So it's only going to be $99.99. And if you need an off-road jack, they have this one by Badland. It does have like the off-road wheels to it. This is the 3-ton version. It does have a max height of 29 1/16 inch. The minimum height is 6 1/4 inch. You're going to be able to save $100 on this jack. So it's only $279.99. It's going to be a great deal, a great time to pick that one up, especially if you need something like this to be able to go off-roading with. Now the next good deal to consider is on the Bauer 1800 PSI. It's 1.2 gallon per minute electric power washer. This is a newer item that they recently came out with. It's normally priced at $120, but you're going to be able to save $50 on that. So it's going to be $69.99. Something like this would be nice and portable. It does come with a 20-foot hose to it, and it also has a detergent bottle as well. And it does have onboard storage for the different spray tips. And they're running some great deals on a couple different generator options by Predator. They have this Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator. It is 3000 running watts. It is rated at 11-hour run time, rated at only 57 decibels, so it is pretty quiet. They say a normal conversation is 60 decibels, so definitely great technology having a quiet generator. This one does have 2 120 plugs. This does have electric start to it as well, and a built-in hour meter as well. It is a pure sine wave inverter generator, so that's good to have for sensitive electronics like computers. So that is normally priced at $799, but you're gonna be able to save $200 off that price, so it's only be $599. And another great deal on a Predator generator is on this 5000 watt. It is a dual fuel, so it runs on both gas or propane, so you have your options there. It does have a push button electric start. It also comes with a remote start as well. It is also a super quiet inverter generator, and it's rated at up to 18-hour runtime, and it's only 60.5 decibels. So they do have this normally priced at $1,100, but you're going to be able to save $320 off of that. So it's only going to be $780. So definitely a good time to pick that up. And they do have a deal on the Predator engine. It's the engine by itself. It's a 15.8 horsepower one, 459 cc, and it has the OHV horizontal shaft. It's going to be priced at $379. You're going to be saving 70 bucks on that. I know a friend of the channel was looking for a deal on a Predator engine. Hopefully that's the one you're looking for, sir, because that's a good deal for that. And if you're in need of a new welder, they have this one by Titanium, Unlimited 140. It is a multi-process one. It's 140 amp rating at 120 volt input. It does all metal drive system. It has a LED readout to it. It is normally priced at $599, but during the Black Friday sale, you're gonna be able to save 250 bucks off of that. So it's gonna be $350. That's basically, that is saving 41%. And another welder to consider is on the Vulcan Omni Pro 220. It is 120 volt or 240 volt input. It does have a 4.3 inch digital display, and this is normally priced at $1,100 bucks, but during the Black Friday sale, you're gonna be able to save $220 off of that. This is going to be $879. That is 20% off. Now they have updated the Black Friday ad, and I will have a link in the description for the new version of it compared to the previous version that I showed on the channel a couple weeks ago. So they have a deal on the mini toolboxes. For the old color ones, that are going to be $12.99, saving 31% off the normal price of 19 bucks. And then they have the new color ones for $14.99, which is 21% off. But if you missed my deal videos from last week where they were doing the 30% off deal for ITC members under 20 bucks, you're actually getting a better deal on the mini toolboxes versus now on the Black Friday time. So it's just another example. You should be subscribed to my channel so you get these deal videos right to you and know what to get, when to get it. And I did do a review video of the US General mini box, comparing it to the Cobalt one. I will put a link in the cards above so you can check that video out where I show many different uses you could use these mini toolbox for. So be sure to check out the Black Friday ad that they have listed on the website. I will have a link down below, and they had added some Bauer tool options as well versus the previous Black Friday flyer that they released in the stores. So they have some Bauer tools in this one. So there's going to be some more deals in the new version of the Black Friday ad. So definitely check it out. There's going to be more available. And these are the Bauer tools that they had added. So you can take a look, pause the video. Also looks like they had added a Hercules 5 amp hour 2-pack for 95 bucks, saving 40. As well as a 3 amp Hercules random orbit palm sander for 40 bucks. That's saving 27%. So definitely some more deals to check out, so be sure to, that way you know what's all available. And the next deal to consider is on the US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. It does come available in 9 different colors total, so you have quite the variety of different colors to choose from. It does have a 700-pound weight capacity to it. It is normally priced at 280 bucks. But you're going to be able to save $80 off during the Black Friday sale. So it's only going to be $199.99. And another good deal to consider is on the Pittsburgh V-Groove combination wrench set. It's 14 pieces. They have them available in both metric and SAE, sold separately. It is normally priced at $49.99. But during the Black Friday sale, they're going to be saving 40% on those. So it's only be 30 bucks. And these are the sizes for the metric that it comes in. And then here are the sizes for the SAE, ranges from 3/8 all the way up to 1.25 inch. And the metric ranges from 10 millimeter all the way up to 32 millimeter. Next great deal to consider is on the Quinn 428 piece Master Technician tool set. Comes with all the varieties of different sockets as well as wrenches. So these are everything that it comes with in both SAE and metric. It is normally priced at 430 bucks, but you're going to be able to save 30% on this set. So it's $130 off, so it's going to be 300 bucks. Another good deal to consider is on the Braun 500 lumen. It is magnetic folding rechargeable slim bar work light. It is rated for up to a 20-hour runtime. It does have a built-in lithium-ion battery for recharging. It does have variable light modes to it. And the base of it is magnetic, so you can stick it to metal toolbox or other metal items. It is fully collapsible, 360-degree design. It is normally priced at 30 bucks, but you're gonna be able to save 40% on this light, so it's only gonna be $17.99. I'll I'll turn it on so you see what it's like. It is nice and bright, 500 lumens. Keep pressing the button for different modes. It does have a top light to it, just like the Icon does. It's just not as bright as the Icon, because the Icon one is 800 lumens. But this is going to be a great light for only 18 bucks. And this would also be the time to pick up some Apache cases. These are comparable to the Pelican style ones that are water resistant. You're going to be able to save 30% off, and they do have various sizes and colors. And I have multiple of these Apache cases. So the 2800 series, and it does come in the orange, tan, and black for that size, which these 2800 series are normally priced at 30 bucks. The 3800 series is normally priced at 40 bucks. Then they have a 4800 series, which is their large box. That's normally priced at 60 bucks. And they also have the long rifle cases as well, available in the black, tan, or green. And these are normally priced at 150. So you would be saving the 30% off on all of those. And these deals on this banner, the 4-pack banner, are available only in store. Whereas the other deals do mention that it's in store and online. So just pay attention to which ones you have to go to the in-store for. And another item to consider picking up is the Pittsburgh 40-inch low-profile creeper. It does come available in 4 different colors, from the gray, green, black, and blue. So different options there. They do come with 6 caster wheels, and it does have a padded headrest to them as well. It is only priced at 40 bucks, but you're going to be able to save 30% on those. So it's only going to be $27.99. And another item to consider is on the Icon Professional Precision Soft Grip Pick and Hook Set. So there's 4 pieces. Comes in these different angles as well as a awl. They do come with a lifetime warranty. It is normally priced at 20 bucks. But during this Black Friday sale, you're going to be able to save 50% on that. So it's only going to be $10. Definitely a great time to pick that up, especially compared to the one at Home Depot. The Milwaukee set that they have there is $15 on sale. So definitely a great deal on the Icon ones. And then the last deal I want to cover that I recommend picking up is on the Hardy disposable gloves, or even other work gloves that they offer, because they're going to be doing 40% off on all Hardy gloves. So definitely a great deal, a great time to stock up. I know some of you mentioned that you do stock up when they have sales like this, at least enough to last a year or so before they have another sale like this. So to give you an example, on the 5mm nitrile gloves, those are normally priced at 12 bucks. So you'd be saving 40% off of that. They do have the thicker ones, 7mm, that are normally priced at $14. And then they have the 9mm ones. So if you need some extra thick gloves, they have them here. 50 gloves in the pack, and that's normally priced at 17 bucks. And you can even go for the Hardy high dexterity impact resistant gloves. It has nice protection for your knuckles. It'd be heavy duty work gloves. They are normally priced at 15 bucks, so they'd be 40% off on those. Pretty good deal. All right, those are going to be the top deals I would consider for Black Friday here at Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments below what you want to pick up during Black Friday, and be sure to give this video a like and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.